Welcome back guys, and congratulations for watching this step-by-step course. And finally we have got a beautiful website, as you can see, beautiful professional website or portfolio website which we have created from scratch. Let me just reload. Animations are going to work for us nicely here. As you can see, this one has just appeared and these texts are running, and if I just go a little bit down, everything is functioning perfectly. And as you can see, these are also working fine. Here's the portfolio section, and we have got all these elements working nicely. And now if I just show you in mobile version, let me show you. It is a responsive website. All right, just take a look. It is a responsive website, and I believe you have found lots of value from this tutorial or from this course. And if you did, please give me a feedback and let me know your comment by writing it. And I hope you success, and I hope to see your website as well. Thank you very much for being with me. And another information, if you want me to make this blogspot domain to a professional domain, then please let me know. I'd love to upload another video for this specially, so that it will be, let's say, azharportfolio.com, azharportfolio.net, or whatever I'm going to find for this website. All right, and I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to add this domain name here, so that it will look much nicer and it will be totally professional website. All right, so just let me know by commenting. All right, thank you very much. Thank you very much again. Thank you very much for being with me.